French wine is one of the exquisite beverages in this world. Let's take a look at the places in France where this beverage is produced. Wine is one of the most wonderful and tasty drinks in this world. French wine is world famous, and France is the largest producer of wine in the world. Terroir is a group of vineyards, which have the same soil, climate, grapes, winemaking techniques, and appellation. Each region mentioned below has its specific terroir. Alsace is situated in the northeast region of France. It is sheltered from Atlantic disturbances by Vosges Mountain in the west, while the Rhine River to the east provides the necessary irrigation to the vineyards. The Rhine River is a major factor in the prosperous growth of grapes in this region. This river separates Alsace from Germany. The weather in Alsace is semi-continental, with low rainfall that is helpful in growing grapes. Wine production in the Alsatian vineyards dates back to the Roman conquest. As it is situated on the German border, a German influence is also observed in the way of growing grapes and winemaking. However, the Alsatian wine is more alcoholic and full-bodied than German wine. There are 7 grape varieties grown in Alsace. These are Gewürztraminer fine wine, Riesling fine wine, Sylvaner, Pinot Blanc, Pinot Noir, Tokay Pinot Gris, and Muscat Blanc wine. Except Pinot Noirs, all others are white wines. Pinot Noir is pale reddish in color. Alsatian wines are floral and aromatic in flavor, which is palatable with both spicy and fruity foods. Bordeaux is a French city situated to the southwest of France, near the Atlantic coast. The Bordeaux vineyards are grown outside the main city. 1/3 of the good quality wine produced in France comes from Bordeaux. The climate is oceanic and temperate, with short winters and long summers. It is very humid in Bordeaux, due to the vicinity of Atlantic Ocean. The types of grapes grown in Bordeaux are Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, Semillon, and Sauvignon. 50% of wine regions in Bordeaux are covered with the Merlot grape. Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Malbec, Petit Verdot and Cabernet Franc are red grapes, whereas Semillon and Sauvignon are white grapes. Bordeaux wines make a good combination with oysters, Pauillac lamb, duck, and mushrooms. Burgundy is situated in the central part of eastern France. It is to the south of Paris, between the eastern parts of Dijon and Lyon. This region of France has different types of soils. The climate of Burgundy is oceanic and semi-continental, with cold winters and warm summers. The types of red wines in Burgundy are Pinot Noir and Gamay. The white wines in Burgundy are made from Chardonnay and Aligot. The grapes produced on a small scale are Sauvignon and Grey Sauvignon, that are used to make the Saint Brice wine. Red wine makes an excellent combination with game and beef. White wine is served with grilled fish and oysters. Champagne vineyards are famous for the sparkling wines. Champagne is located to the east of Paris and shares its border with Belgium. It is situated on the banks of the River Marne. The soil in this region is white and chalky, and it is best suited for making the finest champagne wine. The climate of this place is continental, with sunny summer and fall that is harsh. 3 types of grapes produced are Chardonnay, Pinot Noir and Pinot Meunier. Chardonnay is a white grape used to make the finest champagne wine. Pinot Meunier is used to make second-grade champagne. Foie gras, smoked salmon, lobster in white sauce, and oysters are the food items that this wine goes best with. Loire Valley. There are 22 world-class, light and fruity flavors of wine available in the Loire Valley. This valley is situated to the left of Paris, and along the banks of the Loire River. It is the 3rd largest wine producer of France. The wines made here are known for their freshness. The climate, in this part of France, is a mixture of Atlantic and continental weather. The white grapes grown here are Chenin Blanc, Sauvignon, and Melon. Cabernet Franc, Gamay, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Pinot Noir are the various red grapes grown in the Loire Valley. The sparkling wine from Loire is called Fines Bullous. These wines are palatable with all summer dishes, shellfish, roulets, ham, and chicken. Rhône Valley Côtes du Rhône is the area that stretches along both the banks of the Rhône River. The climate in Rhône Valley is continental in the north, and Mediterranean in the south, as it falls in the vicinity of the Mediterranean Sea. Diverse climatic conditions is the reason that a wide variety of grapes are grown in Rhône Valley. From full-body red wine in the north, to the dry or medium-body red wine in the south. Sauvignon Blanc and Muscadet are white wines, while Cabernet Franc is the red wine. Full-body white wine is also available in the north and it makes an excellent combination with grilled fish. Full-body red wine is served with roasted red meat and game. Languedoc-Roussillon. This is a region to the south of France, and which shares a border with Spain, along the Mediterranean Sea. As it is a coastal area, the climate is Mediterranean. This region of France is famous for its lovely beaches. Languedoc-Roussillon is known for its sweet and fruity wine. Red wines like Carignan, Cinsault, Grenache, Syrah, Mourvèdre, Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot are available in this region. Grilled meat, roasted turkey and game are palatable with the red wine of Languedoc-Roussillon. Macabou, Claret, Bauson, and Ugni Blanc are the white wines produced in this region. Local seafood tastes excellent when served with the white wines available here. Provence is another French region along the Mediterranean Sea. Rosé de Provence is one of the famous wines produced in Provence. It is a fruity, summer wine that is served with salads and also taken as an appetizer. The French have perfected the art of winemaking, and this beverage has become a favorite with many foodies.